Hi, I'm Neil. I'm one of the UK account managers here at Beyond the Bean, and welcome to our showroom in Bristol, where today I'm going to give you a masterclass on the Sweetbird Frappé range. As you can see in front of me, there's 9 products within the range, through from our powders to our new Frappé Base liquid, which offers a 20% sugar reduction against our standard Frappé powders. Now, the powders are ready to use out of the tin. It's just a scoop of Frappé powder with a glass of ice, milk and blended, and they're ready to serve. Great products as standalone drinks, or even better if you want to add your own creations and add more products into them to come up with your creative drinks. The vanilla bean frappe is a really good option for that. It's a non-dairy option, so it's vegan and can be used with many of the other Sweetbird products and Zuma products to come up with some great tasting drinks. So today we're going to run through a few drinks for you. There's 6 in total, ranging from a out of the tin ready to go product, just as we instruct you to make it, to some more creative and indulgent drinks. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with the sticky toffee frappe. It's a favourite of mine. It's a really nice indulgent drink ready to go. So we always start with a glass of ice, and I'm going to use semi-skimmed milk for this one, and you fill the glass up to about 1 centimetre below the rim. This then goes straight into your blender jar. And one thing to note when using the frappe powders is always put the scoop of frappe powder in last. This way you don't risk it getting stuck to the jar, and it will blend properly and give you a great taste and mouthfeel. So I'm going to put this onto the blender using cycle 4. Now, one way to add some extra value to your drinks is to always use some toppings. So today we're going to use a little bit of the toffee crunch to go with our sticky toffee pudding. And then a little bit of Zuma dark chocolate sauce, just to finish that drink off. In with the straw and serve. That's the first one, and that's straight out of the tin as the how to make guide instructs. We're now going to look at another option, which is going to be a low calorie option using skimmed milk and the peach smoothie mix from the Sweetbird range. So again, as before, start with your glass of ice. Now with this one, because we're using the peach smoothie mix, which again is a great product on its own, ambient product used within 5 days once open, you're going to add about 1/3 of a glass, so about 30 mils. We're then going to top this one up using the skimmed milk, just to keep the milk sugars down. Again, to about 1 centimetre below the rim. And we're also going to be using that skimmed milk in a second for something else. So again, into the jar, and for this one we're going to be using the liquid frappe base, so 2 pumps. Make sure the lid is on firmly, and then blend. Now, as I said, we're going to be using skimmed milk for the topping on this one, and that's going to be using the magic of cold foam, so it's a different jar to what you needed. And we're just going to literally just cover that blade with ice cold skimmed milk. So now that the frappe is finished blending, I'm going to put that one on and blend on option 1 for 18 seconds, which means you should see that milk just expand and grow, and it'll give us a great topping to add to this low calorie drink. So as you've seen, the milk has expanded and grown, gives a really good nice meringue texture. And then we're just going to put this on the top as a nice low calorie option for topping. And then to finish this drink off, again, add in your straw and a slice of peach just to finish that off. So, moving on to the next drink. Now this one's one of my favourites, and it's going to be using the vanilla bean frappe base, the strawberry puree from the Sweetbird range, and a digestive biscuits. And this is going to give us a strawberry cheesecake inspired drink. So, as before, start off with a glass of ice and fill this again to the top to about 1 centimetre below the rim. Ice and milk into the blender jar. Add in 2 pumps of strawberry puree, and to give this that nice biscuity taste as well, we're going to add in a pump of Sweetbird speculoos syrup into the mix, and then 60cc scoop of vanilla bean frappe. Back onto your blender, again on option 4. But while that one's working, what we're going to do for this is, in the glass that we've just used, this is crushed digestive biscuits to give you that nice base. And we're nearly there. And then we add this into the over the biscuit base. And then we're going to add some further indulgence to this one using squirty cream. A slice of strawberry and a straw, and there's your strawberry cheesecake frappe. So we also know that frappes are a good option for keeping your coffee sales up as well. So we're now going to look at an option using a double espresso and some Zuma hot chocolate to give you a Mocha Frappe. Again, start off with your glass full of ice. Back to that point of 1 centimetre below the rim. Pour into your blender jar. Add 1 scoop of Zuma dark hot chocolate, 1 scoop of the vanilla bean frappe powder, and then this is a pre-served double espresso which has been allowed to cool. All of them into your jar, and option 4 again. Back into the glass. Now this will be a great one for Easter coming up. Keep your coffee sales up, but also get rid of your chocolate sales as well. And as ever, we're going to decorate this one with just some chocolate sauce, just to give you that nice look. And just so you know that there's coffee in there, we're just going to sprinkle a couple of coffee beans onto the top and serve. So, sticking to coffee options, we're now going to look at coconut coffee frappe, and rather than using the double espresso, we're going to use the cafe frappe within the Sweetbird range this time. Back to your glass of ice. Cold coconut milk, which gives it a really nice sweet taste and a great mouthfeel with coconut milk. And because it is the cafe frappe option, it also means that this is a vegan drink as well. Into the jar, sorry. Your scoop of cafe frappe. Lid on. Option 4 to blend again. And just to finish this one off, a little bit of caramel sauce. And your straw, and serve. So the final drink we're going to look at today is using the Sweetbird Yogurt Frappe. Now this is a great product to be able to introduce breakfast drinks or a breakfast option in the morning, and also to be able to look at drinks throughout the day to give you that really nice, rich, creamy flavour. And we're going to go back to one of our traditional favourites here now, which we've had lots of success with, both at home in the UK and internationally with Conrad and his international markets. And this is a mango lassi. So as I said, using the Sweetbird Yogurt Frappe, it's going to use the Sweetbird mango smoothie mix, and we're also going to be adding in some turmeric into this one as well. So again, your glass of ice, mango smoothie, same as we did before, about a third of a glass, 30 ml. Top that up, there we go, just below the rim, all into your jar, in with your scoop of yogurt frappe, now when you're adding in the Zuma turmeric chai, this can be a personal choice. Now if you're a turmeric drinker, you could go for 2 scoops. If you're new to turmeric, you could go for half a scoop. I'm just going to put 1 full scoop in. Gives it that nice little spicy kick as well. And as it is a chai, it brings through the other flavours of ginger, vanilla and orange as well. So back into your glass, and this has got a really nice smell to it as well, this one. You can smell that turmeric coming through. And we're simply going to finish this one with just a dusting of the turmeric powder and serve. As I say, this is a really good classic favourite drink here at Beyond the Bean, and one of my favourites. Awesome, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the Frappe Masterclass. If you've got any questions, queries or want any help with recipes, do have a look at our social media, our website, or get in touch with us here at Bean HQ. Thanks very much.